This story is how I rebuilt my life after I got out of rehab. And in the beginning, when I got out of rehab on Feb 3rd, 2023, I was really happy to get out of rehab because rehab felt like a fucking prison. You wake up every day at the same time, and at night, 8 p.m., they would come and lock the room that you stayed in. And they would make you eat the medicine. And of course, back then I knew I needed the medicine, but I would have rather taken it by myself. So that's a different thing. And when I got out in the beginning, when I was staying in my mom's house, the doctor advised her to give me the medicine by hand every night because I had only one dose. And that really pissed me off because already I was very disconnected and everything about my life was uncertain and I was very less confident compared to what I was in the manic phase, the high state. I was super confident, super energetic, but here I became a total introvert, not talking to anybody. And at that moment, when my mom was giving me the medicine, the tablet every night, I was getting pissed because why is she giving me this medicine every day? I know I need to take it. Why don't I take it myself? So that was, I believe, in my mind, my first decision to take care of my medicine, my medication myself. But it was up to the doctor. And of course, I didn't have a routine, I didn't have anything from the full super packed routine of the rehab to coming home and not having a routine at all and being able to sleep at even 9, 10, 11 as compared to 8 p.m. when I was at rehab. So that was a disconnect right there. And why did I feel very uncertain about my life? Because my whole life I thought that I was this overly extroverted, high energy person, and I thought that was me, but that was not me because as I learned, that was a symptom of the manic phase, the high state. So, what did I do? I I started to understand that I need to do something to change things. So the only routine I had at the time was the post care with my psychiatrist once a month, with my counselor twice a month on a video call. And because my house was about 5 kilometers away from the rehab, so I would go and meet the doctor that once a month, that meeting. I would go physically to the rehab place and meet the doctor, the psychiatrist over there. So that was part of the routine, the tiny routine that I spoke about, right? And the structure that I had. Every month, once a month, I had to go and meet him. And on the video call on my laptop, my MacBook, I used to have the video call with my counselor twice a month and my clinical psychologist twice a month.